This is awesome. They got 2 trains running today.
Oh yeah.
Nice. We're on the blue train.
We're on a train.
Whoa.
There's the babies.
Yeah.
Part of it.
Parts of it. Looks like the motor and stuff. Yeah. The new tower is going up in the back. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. It'd be cool to catch Zippin and Pippin. It'd be cool to get the money shot with it going on the lift or the death hill while we're going by. I saw there were more parts of stuff up here. Yeah, there's the rest of the babies.
Yeah.
Did you notice that from Pippin?
I did notice that.
Yeah, that got me. That hill on the front row ride, our second ride. Rest in peace. It's a beautiful day. Oh wow, there is a... Aw. That's funny, we saw one on the train in Little America last week.
Because they built their nest in the ground.
Yeah, you say they,
So I wonder if we were near its nest.
back there, yeah. It's still in that spot. I see it. Ooh, what's this old engine up here?
That's very slow this fan today.
For Pippin, for sure.
That one looks like...
What's that one?
Oh, that's cool.
I never seen that one. It says Fun Spot America on there. I bet you that's where it came from.
Fun spot.
Yeah, one of the fun spots.
Yeah.
That's cool. Did they even send Zippin and Pippin yet?
No.
Well then. Oh, there they go.
And there's the other train.
They're leaving now. Nice. This is good dispatch. See you guys. People are like almost... The slide never reopened, did it?
No, it never did.
Yeah, you're not missing much. Oh wow.
I wonder what's going there.
I'll bet you that's where the NebulaZ is gonna go.
Huh?
Maybe that NebulaZ. We'll see.